I knew I just missed this, but we got something. I don't know if it's very good. Alright. Thunderstorm warning. Alright, so I was just busy plane spotting from the window because I have a fear of hornets and wasps. And I got another thunderstorm notification.
Alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
Yeah, they talked about tornadoes too.
If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement.
And we already have the type of clouds you see. And we have music in the background from the fair that's happening not too far from me. They're blasting their music. And it turns out I'm probably not gonna be going to the fair tonight because of severe weather. And it looks like it is heading towards me pretty soon. And I actually hit the Thor guard this morning, detect lightning. But yeah, we're just gonna see what happens. And I will keep you guys updated on what will happen. Yep, I told you on my community post from earlier today on my community section how there was a tornado watch. And now the winds are picking up more. Feels not too, like 86. Ew, gross. Yep, it should be raining any minute now. Alright guys, should be coming out soon. Yeah, they speaking while I have a sucker in my mouth. My door's trying to open. This shot sucks, so let me raise it up. As a matter of fact, my phone charger is right here. I'll put it on there. Give me a sec. Alright guys, it's literally going to be here any minute. I hope you guys do not mind my annoying door. But yeah. I actually saw a live cam of Indianapolis and it's basically just gray. It's like really bad rain. Well, yeah, we should be here any minute. Okay, guys, cloud is literally right there. Sorry if my camera's not focusing, but here comes the wind. Yep, thunderstorm warning. Here we go. Place my camera down. Move it up. Should be crazy. Holy. Oh man. There goes my flag. Oh my god, the cans! Holy crap. No rain yet, but we got some bad winds right here. Oh, those poor cans. We have some thunder. All right. Alright, in case you can't tell, it's starting to rain. It's not raining bad yet, but could later on. The wind is not as windy. Cans are still on the ground. Yep, those are the clouds. Now it's starting to pick up. Yep. Around there starting to flood a little bit. Around there starting to flood a little bit too. But I can't film it from there because traps are in the way. Got some roaring thunder. Yeah, overall it was a pretty fun storm, just like April. And I'll see if there's anything going on tonight. Alright, I think the storm is starting to slow down a little bit. Excuse me, but anyway, this might be the end of the video. I actually did get another notification on the radio saying another severe thunderstorm warning. But yeah, it's a pretty fun storm. I know it's just time to slow down, but appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like button, comment. And that's going to do it for today's video. Bye, everyone.